Stop manually making PowerPoint slides. It takes too much time. Here is the secret workflow using Google's free AI tools. Step 1. Go to NotebookLM and upload your source file. Here I am uploading a PDF about the history of AI. The AI analyzes it instantly. Step 2. Copy the summary notes. Then open Google Gemini. Type this prompt. Create a 5-slide presentation outline based on these notes. Then paste your text. Gemini will generate the slide content for you. Look for the Export to Slides button at the bottom. Click it, and boom! Google Slides opens with your full presentation ready, including titles, text, and designs. It's that easy. Subscribe to Smart Tech How To for more time-saving tricks.